Welcome you guys. In last class we have discussed about introduction about morphology. So in this class we will discuss about root and types of root systems and root functions. So first we are starting with the root. So what about root? It is comes from where? It is comes from the radical portion, right? So plumule it will gives a shoot, radical it will gives a root. So generally these are the roots. It is grows positively geotropic and negatively phototropic. But in some cases, if you will take a respiratory roots, so those are the roots it's having pneumatophores, so those are positively phototropic and negatively geotropic. That is the exception feature, right? So generally the roots are positively geotropic and negatively and phototropic. So these are the roots are developing from where? So it is comes from the radical, right? So what is the function of root? So it is helps him to perform various functions. So it is helps in absorption of water and minerals from the soil, right? So those water and minerals that should be supplied to the remaining other aerial parts with the help of root only. It is helpful for conduction, right? And along with that, it is helps in prevent soil erosion. Soil erosion means, so these roots it's hold the soil particles, so then easily we can prevent the soil erosion. They can't move from the soil particles. So during rainy season it can't move with the help of these roots. So and along with that, it may helpful for synthesis of some growth regulators. Like if you will take a cytokinins. So these are synthesized in root. And along with that, it will also gives some support or mechanical support to the remaining all the other parts. Right? So it's about the functions of a root. So later we will discuss about various types of root systems. So first we are having mainly three types of root systems. So first one it is tap root system, fibrous root system and advantageous root system. So first we are starting with the tap root system. So what about tap root systems? So tap root system means, so from the radical the main root is originated. So see, or if you will see in a dicotyledon seed, in a dicotyledon seed, so it is about what? A plumule. So it will gives shoot. So it's about what? A radical. So it will gives roots, right? So in tap root system, the main root it is present. So the main root it comes from where? It comes from the radical. So here it is having main roots. Main root it is present. So later it will produce primary roots, secondary roots and tertiary roots. So combinedly we call as what? So combinedly we call as a taproot system. So generally we are observing this taproot system in dicotyledon plants. Right? So combinedly we call as what? So that is about a taproot system. So next about what? So that is about fibrous root system. In fibrous root system, so here the main root it is opsin. So that is a short-lived one. It is present, but it is a short-lived. So that is replaced by large number of small roots. All the roots are equal in length, right? So there is no main root in a fibrous root system. So here the primary root it is a short-lived. So all the roots are originated from the base of the stem. So here in fibrous root system, so there is no main root. So all the roots are equal in size. The primary root is a short-lived one. So majority of the monocotyledon plants, you will find this type of a fibrous root system. So examples, monocotyledons. Like you take some examples, rice, maize, so those are comes under monocotyledons. So next about what? So it is about taproot system. It is about a fibrous root system. So next one it is advantageous root system. What about advantageous roots? So up to now we have discussed taproot and fibrous roots. So advantageous roots. So generally the roots are originated from where? So those are the originated from the radicle. But in advantageous root system, so the roots are originated from the other than the radicle. It is not coming from the radicle. So it's coming from the other than the radicle. Like if you will take a banyan tree. So banyan tree, from the stem portion only the roots are originated. If you will take a bryophyllum leaf, that leaf it will produce a advantageous roots. So that type of root system it is called as what? A advantageous root system. Roots are originated from the other than radicle. Sometimes it may be stem or leaf or other parts. Example for this one is banyan tree. Right? So if you will observe banyan tree, the roots are originated from where? So it's may coming from the stems or some other portions. Right? So it is about a advantageous root system, right? So I hope it is helpful for you guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.